Welcome to another episode. This is your boy B, and we're gonna talk about the fall and winter dry beard season. Are you prepared? Your boy B is. Well, let's get right into and how you could be prepared for this season. Let's go. So 5 ways to prepare your beard. Number 1, drinking water. Fellas, I talk about this constantly, but the more water you drink, the more water content you would have in your beard. Not only that, it would improve the look and the feel, all right? Number 2, beard rinse conditioner. You need a beard rinse conditioner because what that's going to do is going to restore your moisture balance. So make sure you have that into your tool belt, all right? Number 3, make sure you guys are not walking outside with a wet beard because the cold is going to absorb all that moisture out of your beard, and all that hard work you put into that morning or that night, you're gonna be like, what happened to my beard? So make sure you guys, when you walk out, make sure your beard is dry and is ready and it's prepared so, you know, your joints stay all sauced up. All right, okay, yeah, number four, I'm sorry. Number 4, you make sure you rinse your beard with water, okay? So when you jump in the shower, rinse it with water because your beard loves protein, all right? Or water loves protein because it attracts each other and it has a relationship that makes your beard strong, makes it elastic, and just keeps it looking really, really nice and neat. So rinse your beard with water. And number 5, fellas, moisturize your beard. You need to make sure you get you a beard moisturizer. You have to understand that our beard needs to be moisturized on a daily basis. So if you don't do nothing in the morning, make sure you do something in the evening before you go to bed. Moisturize that beard because the more your beard is moisturized at night, the more when you rise up in the morning, it's going to be moisturized and it's going to start your day off right. There's nothing worse when you're frustrated that your beard is not looking the way that you want to look. All right? So fella, I hope you take heed to these 5 ways to prepare your beard. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, okay? Hit the likes. Oh, and before you even hit the thumbs up, and let me ask you this. Have you ever had a horrible fall and winter season when it came to your beard? I know I did. If you went through the same thing that I went to, leave it down in the comments, all right? Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. And also, don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell, all right? I really, really appreciate that. And don't forget to watch the other episodes. And we'll see you on the next one. This is your boy B, and we out.